In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Loom desktop app. By the end, you'll have Loom installed on your computer, you'll be signed in, and you'll have tested your camera, microphone, and screen recording so you're ready to start creating videos right away. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Loom's login page. On that page, look for the button that says Download or Get Loom. Both options take you to the desktop app. Select the version that matches your device, either Windows or Mac. As soon as you choose your device, your browser will start downloading the installer. If your browser asks where to save it, choose your Downloads folder so it's easy to find. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Loom installer file. On Windows, this is usually an .exe file. On Mac, it's typically a .dmg file. Now let's install it. On Windows, follow the prompts in the setup window. Click install when prompted, and if Windows asks for permission to make changes, confirm to continue. Wait for the installer to complete. It only takes a moment, and Loom will finish setting up in the background. On a Mac, open the downloaded file, then drag the Loom app into your Applications folder. After that, open Loom from Applications. The first time you open it, macOS may ask you to confirm you want to open the app. Go ahead and allow it. With the app installed, open Loom. You can sign in with Google, with your email, or using another available option. If you're new to Loom, you can quickly create an account during this step and then continue. Next, grant the permissions Loom needs to record properly. Make sure you allow screen recording, microphone access, and camera access if you plan to include your webcam. These prompts might appear the first time you try to record. On Mac, you may be guided to System Settings to enable permissions. After allowing, you may need to relaunch Loom for changes to take effect. On Windows, accept any prompts that request access to your microphone and camera. Finally, test your setup. In Loom, click New Video and try a short recording. You can choose to capture your screen, your camera, or both. Speak a few words and make sure the audio meter is moving. Stop the recording and play it back to confirm everything looks and sounds good. That's it.